In this problem, we're going to simplify ab squared plus 3b cubed over 7a squared minus 4ab times 4b minus 7a over 10ab squared minus 2b cubed divided by 9b squared minus a squared divided by a squared. That's a mouthful. All right, first thing we're going to do is we're going to rewrite the last term to make it multiplication. Remember that division is just the same thing as multiplying by the reciprocal, so I flipped the last term. And now we can start factoring. So the first thing I see is that the first term has a b squared that can be factored out. And that leaves behind an a plus 3b. Okay, and then down here I see an a that can be factored out. So that becomes 7a minus 4b. The 4b minus 7a can't be factored, but the thing below it has a 2b squared that can be factored out, and that leaves behind a 5a minus b. All right, a squared is just a squared, but below it I see the difference of two squares, so this can become 3b plus a and 3b minus a. Okay, so let's rewrite this whole thing here. And now we can look for things that cancel. So the first thing I see here is that we have a b squared on top and a b squared on the bottom, so those can both go away. And then the a plus 3b and the 3b plus a, well, those are the same thing, they can go away. And then there's an a on the bottom, and then one of these a's can go away from the a squared on top. And then I see a 7a minus 4b and a 4b minus 7a. So those are almost the same thing. I can cancel them out, but they leave behind a -1 because the order is flipped. Okay, I think that's about it. I don't see anything else that I can cancel, so the final answer is -a over 2 times 5a minus b times 3b minus a.